Hi folks, this is Gene. I'm in Houston, Texas, and I want to talk about utility lines. Before you yell at your line clearance crew who is going to come and prune the trees off of their wires, ask yourself, is that tree planted in the right spot to begin with? Now, I've never worked in line clearance, fortunately, and I hope never to have to, because those guys get beat up a lot. They don't do very good quality tree work, but their objective, remember, is to clear the lines. Now, in the foreground here, you see a fat, black, smaller line. That's a communications line. I'm really talking about the three highest lines the utility companies need, 10 feet of clearance. And so you look at a tree like this water oak in the foreground. It's been, top has been cut completely out of it. This red oak here, I think it's a Shumard, same thing. And then over here we have a mature water oak. It's got a bunch of foliage over here and a bunch of foliage over here. Now, yes, this looks awful. This is awful tree work. But these guys have to maintain the clearance to these wires. And so these should never have been planted directly underneath these. It's not like these overhead lines are new or anything. This is a 60-year-old neighborhood. These trees aren't that old. So, yes, it looks awful, but cut these guys some slack. The reason people have power outages is because trees knock down wires. Okay, people don't like their food to spoil, and their medical equipment to stop running, and their lights to stop working, and their washer and dryer to stop operating. So it's a big inconvenience when the power goes out. So these guys have to do this. And like I said, you agree and I agree that this looks awful, but these trees should never have been planted here in the first place. Thanks for taking a look.